just doing a quick review. I just purchased the Webley and Scott xocet in 2.2 LR. I'm going to take it on range and use the Bullseye Cam. Set it up at 30 yards, so it'll be good for 50, probably above with a couple of holdovers. 430 as a complete package. Came with Aim Sport rimfire silencer, which is a little small one. 2 10-shot magazines. Also came as a package with Nico Sterling Panamax 3B9B50 half mil dot. Crystal clear that. Front parallax adjustment, really could do with side, but front's okay for a rimfire. Nico Sterling match mounts with it. What I'm going to do is set it up at 30 yards, it's mainly for pest control. I've got RWS, subsonics, hollow points. So I'll let you know results on that. Like I say, I'll be shooting it with a Bullseye Cam, so you'll see footage of the Bullseye Cam as I'm shooting them once I've got it set up. Not a bad little rifle. It's even light with everything on. Polymer stock. The bolt is recessed into the stock. Still not bad to pull out. It's clear. Lighten trigger slightly. Brand new, I haven't shot around through it yet, so still a little bit new. The 10-shot magazines, the one problem that I've found, probably because it's new, is when I put it in, it don't click into place. I've got to pull the lever just slightly to hold it in place, otherwise it will just fall off. Like I say, it's absolutely brand new, not one round through it as yet. I'll let you know results. Cheers guys. Okay guys, sighted the Webley and Scott xocet in 2.2 LR. The target you're looking at is 2 centimeters, that's 20 millimeters. That was my first shot in a 5-shot group. Second shot. Third shot. Fourth shot, just lifted it, more or less same all. Fifth shot is just on top. This is set at 30 yards, so I'll go back and do group measuring. First shot, second shot, third shot, fourth shot, and fifth shot. So that's the group measuring. It's got a group width of 1.3 centimeters, which is not bad. Like I said, that's 30 yards. At one flare, if it weren't for that one, it'd be within probably 1 centimeter. Cheers guys.